Figure 2.2 shows a diagram of a stage micrometer scale that is being used to calibrate an eyepiece graticule. One division on either the stage micrometer scale or the eyepiece graticule is the distance between two adjacent lines. The length of one division on this stage micrometer is 0.1 millimeters. Part 1. By using figure 2.2, calculate the actual length of one eyepiece graticule unit, then convert the answer to a measurement with the unit most suitable for use in light microscopy. So, if one stage micrometer division equals to 0.1 millimeters, when it was calibrated on eyepiece graticule, it gave us 40 eyepiece units. One eyepiece unit is unknown. In order to find unknown value, we multiply 0.1 micrometers to 1 eyepiece units and divide by 40 eyepiece units. It will give us 0.0025 millimeters. Then we convert this value into micrometers by multiplying it 1000. So actual length of one eyepiece unit is 2.5 micrometers. Part 2. Use the calibration of the eyepiece graticule unit from Part 1 and Figure 2.4 to calculate the actual length of the plant leaf from X to Y. From the figure, we can see that the distance from X to Y equals to 45 eyepiece unit divisions. So if one eyepiece unit equals 2.5 micrometers, then 44 eyepiece units are unknown. In order to find out unknown value, we multiply 44 by 25 and divide it by 1, and it will give us 110 micrometers. So actual length of the plant leaf from X to Y is 110 micrometers. Thank you for watching.